begin to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times.
From here, we're going to get our right leg all the way to the outside of your right palm. Descend your left knee onto the mat, toes out, and come up all the way into a low lunge. And look up if you can.
From the supine position, place your palms down and bring your hands underneath the body with the elbows as close to each other as possible. Feet together. Inhale, lift the head up, look at your feet. Exhale, bring the crown of your head onto the mat. Open the shoulders.
Stand onto your knees and widen your legs really nice. Bring your palms facing down, your fingers facing down onto the back of your hip and slowly inhale first and exhale slowly. Push your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms to your ankles and arch back.
So you want to come closer to your wall and place your butt as close as possible, preferably a wall instead of a glass, but it's okay. So just begin to lie down comfortably and place both your legs all the way up and still just scoot yourself closer to your wall. See, my butt is as close as possible and relax.
Inhale, breathe through the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, slowly with control, bring your head down. Now, grab hold of the toes with the middle index and thumb. Inhale, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your forehead down. Badhakonasana. Take slow 5 deep breaths here.
Now to begin with how to do Shitali Pranayam, you stretch your tongue out and you flute your tongue like this. And once you flute your tongue, you inhale through your fluted tongue and you exhale through your nose. So I'll just show you how it goes. It's like this. The inhalation is long and deep through your mouth and the exhalation is through your nose. You can do about 10 to 15 rounds of this, and once you finish, you have this cool sensation in your mouth.